Scorching heat from the sun and constant heavy rain affects a person's health, and they need something to use against it. But that's not the only thing people should be worried about. Cases of kidnapping has also been starting to rise, and people need something to use against it. This is when DEFELLA comes in. DEFELLA is a combination of the word defense and umbrella. It is a two-way use umbrella that has a hidden self-defense weapon in it. Here you can see the handle with two switches. One for the actual umbrella, and one for the hidden self-defense weapons. If you press the bottom switch, the weapon will come out of the bottom of the handle. And if you pull it out completely, the weapon will come out, which is the taser gun and pepper spray. DEFELLA doesn't just protect you from the rain and the sun, but also from the potential danger that might happen. Thank you for watching.